to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about how to moisturize your hair without spending a dime. You don't have to spend any money, you don't have to buy anything, any product before you get your hair moisturized. And I actually used this method for about a year or 2 years, and it actually helped me in my hair journey compared to when I was not using this method to moisturize my hair. So if you've watched my previous videos, you know already that when I first started my hair journey, I was not applying any products on my hair, I was not moisturizing my hair, I was not giving my hair protein treatment. What I was basically doing was just protective styling. Now protective styling actually helped me grow my hair to about mid-back length. So for the first 3 to 4 years of my hair journey, I applied no product on my hair whatsoever. But then when my hair got to mid-back length, it kind of got stuck. So that was when I started researching means to make your hair grow longer. Went on YouTube, went online, searched different things. But then I found out that some products were pretty expensive, and I was just a student back then and I didn't really have enough to spare for products back then. Then I came across something online, I can't really remember the site I saw it, and that was a game changer for me during my hair journey. I used this method for about 1 to 2 years, and it actually helped me grow my hair. Like I actually saw length retention by a few inches. So it literally works, guys. You don't have to go and splurge on expensive products before you moisturize your hair. So what I'm going to be talking about is actually very shocking. Like most of you might be shocked because it's not a common method. I've not really seen people use it that much. But guys, what I'm talking about is water. Yes guys, just water. I know it may sound strange to some, but guys, what is moisture? Moisture is basically water. So back then, what I used to moisturize my hair was just water. What I did was I'll get water, put in a spray bottle, section my hair, and I just applied the water from the spray bottle on my head, on all the sections, and I did it for about 1 to 2 years. And guys, I saw tremendous results when I actually did this. No kidding. Like I actually saw length retention compared to when I was not applying anything on my hair at all, when my hair would just be dry out. So guys, you don't really have to splurge on expensive products if you can't afford them, or if your moisturizer gets finished and you can't get a new one immediately. You can always use this. I know of sisters that keep their wash and goes moisturized by just using this method. Applying water on your hair, just put water in a spray bottle, any water at all you can get, water from your tap, sachet water, bottle water, any water at all, and just spray it on your hair. You're good to go, guys. You don't really have to spend so much money when you want to moisturize your hair. And like I always said, the number one key to length retention is not about the products you apply on your hair. It's not about moisturizing your hair day in and day out. It's not about deep conditioning your hair 5 times in a day. It's about leaving your hair alone, guys. Less manipulation. And that's why I always say protective styling has been key in growing my hair to waist length. And lest I forget, here in this channel you are free to drop your questions, your challenges, your worries, any video at all you want to see from me in the comment section, and what I do is to pick them one after the other and make a video specially for you answering that question, because we are here together as a family. We are here to help each other in our hair journey to achieve our goals. And if you stayed with me to this point of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate your love, I appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new here and you aren't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified when I upload a video on YouTube. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.